This is my dad filming my sister and I playing in the rain in the backyard, and I really don't like it when he didn't really used to hate it when he used to film us.
Trouble girl. Don't take my picture. You might enjoy it.
I'm hiding behind the tree. That's what he just said. That's my sister. That's me. This is in '96, so I'm 6, and my sister is 8. I think I see him in the window. I'm not sure. I gotta get a closer look. I don't see him. Don't see anyone. It's hard to look in. What? Wait. Ready? This is awesome.